Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Nur Syahira binti Maidin. My matric number is 02D8021F1039. The line graph shows the gender breakdown of sexual harassment survivor in 2013 until 2017. As presented in the graph, the blue line is number of survivor for male and the orange line is number of survivor for female. As you guys can see from the chart below, the number of survivors for female increased slightly from 2013 until 2016 and decreased by 29 people from 253 people in 2017. Next, we move to the number of survivors for male in 2013 until 2017. From 2013 until 2014, the number of survivors increased for male by 10 people. From 2014 until 2015, the number of survivors increased dramatically and then decreased slightly in 2016 and 2017. For your information, the maximum number of survivors for men was 253 people in 2016, while for male was 87 people in 2015. For 2017, the number of men and women who survived from sexual harassment decreased from the previous year.
This graph shows a bar chart titled is Age Breakdown of Sexual Harassment Survivor in 2013 to 2017. There are two different charts between the age of 16 years old to 18 years old and under 16 years old. As you guys can see from the charts below, the number of cases for under 16 years old increased slightly from the 2013 to 2015 and show a decrease from 2006 to 2017. Next, let's move to the number of cases for 16 years old to 18 years old. The graph shows a sharp increase from 2013 to 2017.
The graph is show a bar graph that the title is Age Breakdown of Sexual Harassment Perpetrators in 2013 until 2017. The differences between the graph are age of perpetrators. On axis X in the bar graph is age of perpetrators. And on axis Y in the bar graph is number of perpetrators. The blue bar graph is below 18 years old and the orange bar graph is above 18 years old. In general, the number of perpetrators above 18 years old are increased steadily from 2013 to 2016 and in 2017, the number of perpetrators is decreased significantly. The number of perpetrators below 18 years old are increased steadily, start on 2015 and start decrease slightly in 2016 and when decline rapidly in 2017. Based on the bar graph, the highest sexual harassment perpetrators are above 80 years old and in 2016 that rose from 280 to 320 perpetrators in 2016, but the graph fell in 2017 which is 280 perpetrators. Conversely, the perpetrators below 80 years old in 2013 only one perpetrator, while in 2015 the perpetrators are 50 perpetrators. The blue bar graph in 2016 dropped slightly until 2017 by 40 perpetrators to 20 perpetrators. To conclude, the perpetrators above 18 years old is higher than perpetrators below 18 years old because mostly below 18 years old are a victim of sexual harassment.
The bar graph shows the age breakdown of rape survivor in 2013 until 2017. X-axis show the year and Y-axis show the number of cases. As you guys can see from the chart below, the number of cases for under 80 years decreased slightly from 2013 until 2017. Next, we move to the number of cases for 80 years and above. The graph show a decrease of 1,173 people from 2030 to 2070. For your information, the maximum number of cases for under 80 years was in 2030 is 1,790, while for the lowest case for 80 years and above is 2070 is 278. The graph clearly shows that in 2030, the number of cases increased for all age, while it decreased in 2070.